In this video, we're going to be covering how to fix the component does not exist error when running a deployed process. So in my example, I don't currently have a process running into this issue, but if you did, you should be able to view the process logs and it should reference the component ID that is causing issue. So if you want to just find an easy way to determine where to find that problem component, you can just put ID and a colon and then paste in the component ID. And here it'll show exactly where that connection is. And I can see in this process that it's local test right here, this component ID. If you want to double check, you can check the component ID right here and just reference it. Coming back, the way to resolve this is you can take this component ID, or sorry, this component and replace it with any other component. So for example, we could just delete it, create a new operation, a new connection, save it. And then you just need to save the process, go back into that same connector, and put back in the same connection you had previously. And save it again. And all you're going to need to do is create a package component and then deploy it to your environment. And now the issue should be resolved. However, if you see this component ID or component does not exist error again, just take that component ID, reference it, and make sure it's not the same component ID. If it's the same component ID, I would recommend you open a support case and we can help you resolve the issue. But if it's a different one, then you just repeat the same process however many times is necessary. And that concludes how to fix the component does not exist error.